Subscribe the channel Plants and Life and press the bell icon to get notification.
Hello guys, what's up? Here I am Coast of this site. Welcome to another episode of Plants and Life YouTube channel. Here in this video, we will try to propagate ajowan plant from its cutting. So watch the video carefully. हम इस वीडियो में अजवान को कैसे कटिंग से ग्रो करते हैं वो सीखेंगे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं, लेकिन उससे पहले अगर अभी तक आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। बिफोर स्टार्टिंग आवर ट्यूटोरियल, you all are requested to do subscribe our channel and also press the notification bell icon after subscribing our channel to get notification whenever I upload a video. Thank you. So let's start the video. So guys, look at here, we got success in growing ajowan from cutting. Beside buds, it has produced flower also. Look at here. देखिए दोस्तों, हमने ajowan को कटिंग से सक्सेसफुली ग्रो कर लिया और ये न्यू पत्ते तो ग्रो कर रहे हैं, उसके साथ ये देखिए फ्लावर भी आ रहे हैं। So guys, that's it for today. If you have enjoyed, then please like, share and comment, and if you are new to this channel, then consider subscribing and press the bell icon after subscribing our channel to get notification whenever I upload a video. Thank you guys, stay well and keep supporting. Thank you so much.
Subscribe the channel Plants and Life and press the bell icon